Okay guys, today I want to show you how to cut a corset waistline perfectly. So firstly, I made use of chalk, though I didn't make a video of that, sorry about that. So I made use of chalk to shape the kind of V I want to cut. So you can see I'm making a side V shape on the waist. So you can see I've cut one side already. I cut one side, so it's remaining the second side. So after cutting this, the only thing you have to do is just to fold it in like I'm doing. So you fold it in and make use of your needle and thread to tack it in. So as you can see, I've cut both sides, and the next thing is just to use needle and thread to tack it down. So I'd advise you to tack it from inside. So you tack it from inside to make sure the thread is not visible outside. Though you can make use of bead or any applique to cover that side, but for those that are not covering with anything, you have to tack it from inside. So you have a perfect and neat job.